Hey Jay, how you doing? Yeah, I'm back. And so this is the second video. Again, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this whiteboard for any of this, but so in the last video, I talked about the idea of a statistical versus a non-statistical question. And when we're talking about statistics, surprise, we're going to be talking about statistical questions. So what we're going to limit ourselves to at this point is just statistical questions. And the one I raised in the last video was the idea of the question, how many sisters do you have? And my answer to that question was two, and your answer to that question would be zero. So what I want to do is let's imagine that there's Jonathan answers zero to that question, and Mark answers two to that question. And I'm going to make up, we just need a third person in this, and I'm going to call him Adam, and I'm going to say that he is blessed with four sisters. Okay, so now what we've got here is we have the actual answers from the real world, or I made up Adam, but imagine that that's the real world. We have the actual answers to a statistical question, how many sisters do you have? When we have actual answers to real world information, that is called data, or some people say data. Both are okay, I think. And when we have a set of such information, like more than one little piece of data, we call that a data set. And that's what we have here is a data set, okay? In this case, because I asked a numerical question, we have a data set that includes three numbers. I'm going to keep this really close to 2 minutes, and if that makes sense, we'll pop over to the next video, okay?